What's good with y'all? We back at it. You feel me? And today we're gonna be doing another plug and play review. I mean, a lot of you guys on Snapchat liked it. You guys didn't really view it on my YouTube, that's for sure. We still got this. Hey, Mike, throw me that that big chief right there. I mean that muha on the thing. Where? Right there by the TV. Throw me the muha on. If you remember, we're gonna do the unboxing with you guys. It says push and hold right here. You can see it says push and hold on both sides. You just push them both in, and you slide the box down. All right, how you do this shit? Up? Oh, you slide it up. Voila! Sheesh, what up? Look at that. Packaging's real good. Then we got this. We still got this one. What is it? Watermelon. I'm already a little high from hitting this one. I was charging this battery earlier. That's the strawberry. We're gonna go straight into this grape. So your boy had to pay motherfucking 80 bucks for a new tire. I already got a flat. And they're saying plug and play muhas are selling fake wax. Dog water wax. It's the same quality basically as the plug and play type wax. We're gonna throw this grape ape in this plug and play battery. A little stiff. Cheers. Oh, that flavor tastes familiar. Bruh, that flavor tastes like one of those little candy soda things you get, and you pull out. It looks like a little pill. You pull it out and you eat it. Those little grape soda ones. That is dead on, just like this right here. Feel me? It is an exotic. We're smoking an exotic stickly Glock 150. Nah. All right, ready? I'm trying to take a bigger hit on an empty stomach. The flavor's there. It's not like a bad, not like a bad grape flavor. When you cough, you have that taste still in your mouth, that grape. I don't know why it still looks like there's wax in there. I still got this ugly Big Chief pod. That shit hit. When you know you take a good dab is when you start getting hot. Start taking off the sweater. Hey, actually, bro, when is the car done? That shit was at 12:50. Oh, 11:50. Mike, what time is it? Did I make you die?
12:39.
Alright, so give me like 20 more minutes and my car will be ready. I have to go walk to go pick it up. It's on the street right here. I can't even lie, bro. I'm gonna finish this muha pod and I'm gonna just save this, bro. The plug and play. I just wanted to do a review for you guys. Cause you guys, I haven't been uploading videos and shit. But yeah. The flavor is crazy. Like if I pass by somebody and blow it, they're like, that smells like grape. What if someone pulls up to you guys and like, hey, where you guys go? I got that plug and place. Oh, no, I got a plug and play. Nah, this shit here is still the plug and play.
What the fuck?
Oh. Mike, you wanna try it? You gotta try the plug. Jeez, he's reviving you. This dude's playing Warzone and taking the big hit. It's hecka grapey. You can taste it. Huh?
Bros.
Yeah? Break the TV.
Yeah, me on 5 years now.
Turn it off first.
Turn what up?
Or you can't turn it off.
What?
Don't monitor it. I gotta go pick up my car. I'm about to be hella lit. Hopefully they give me my car back. And they don't be like, you. Sheesh, I can't even talk. I'm like, hopefully they don't be like, you look too under the influence. Oh. Yeah, these plug and plays are fire, on God. I can't blink that. Not right now. Not right now, or not this video. I'll probably make another video of how lit I can get in 10 minutes with these two. So if you guys are watching this video, next video. Wait, I got these two pods and this. There's still a little bit of wax in here. You've seen it with all that clouds I just did. So if you guys are watching the video, I'll be doing 10 minutes of how lit I can get with these three. Next video. And I'll probably just do that later today because I ain't even gonna work today because I had flat. I paid for a new tire. And I try to be out and about. Fresh new tire and shit. But I did get a warranty, so it was good. I was gonna relax today. Got paid, no cap. I got paid for my first paycheck from doing Uber Eats, whatever, something like that. And it's pretty cool though. Alright, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. Peace.